short video is going to walk you through some of the digital resources that we have available this semester through the They Say, I Say resources. So when you sign in and you get your copy of the textbook, it comes with a set of digital resources that you'll be able to use all semester. Some of our assignments will ask you to do readings, for instance, in the little Seagull Handbook. It might ask you to do a tutorial or do an Inquisitive for writers or look at a model student essay. So this is what the landing page looks like. You can always access the textbook through the digital resources, which is just a copy of our textbook. The other thing that we have is the little Seagull Handbook. This is kind of instructional information that goes beyond the They Say, I Say. For instance, one of our very first assignments is to read about reading strategies. So when you click on it, you have to kind of come over to the drop-down menu on the left, and then you'll be able to see the other pages for reading analytically that you can read. Another digital resource are the Inquisitive Reviews. These are kind of game-based practice things. If you have trouble with specific grammar issues that I direct you to, I might have you come and do one of these kind of little quizzes. We'll also be doing information, for instance, about like fact checking or using sources. And you can kind of see this is what it looks like. In addition to that, there are tutorials for our textbook. So if you're having trouble figuring out what the textbook is talking about, each of the chapters has a tutorial that walks you through it a little bit more. Those are going to be optional for our class. But again, if you're struggling, they're a really great piece of information. There is a plagiarism tutorial that we'll be looking at some point this semester. And then there's some model student essays if you want to see examples of student writing. So if you have any trouble finding anything in the digital resources, you should always reach out by email. I'm happy to answer those questions. But otherwise, we hope this video has helped you see some of the resources that you have available to you this semester.